The village of Dodoma was nestled between a big river and a tall mountain. Round huts, shaped like the full moon, were scattered across the land. Children's laughter filled the air. The warm sun shone down on everyone. Life was simple, following the rhythm of the seasons and their traditions. The villagers fished in the river, their nets full of fish. They farmed the land, growing lots of food. They honored their ancestors, singing songs that reached the sky. But life wasn't always easy. Sometimes the rains were harsh. Nearby villages who didn't have as much sometimes looked at Dodoma with envy. The elders knew they needed a leader, someone to guide them. Adisa was different. Even as a young boy, he was strong and wise, even though he was still young. He didn't talk much, but he listened a lot. The village elders saw something special in him. They said Adisa could talk to spirits. He could hear the wind's whispers and the river's secrets. He knew when the rain would come and when the fish would be plentiful. He understood the earth. When the old chief died, the villagers turned to Adisa. They asked him to be their leader. Adisa, humble and honest, accepted. He became their king, their protector, their guide. King Adisa faced many problems during his time as king. A drought threatened their crops. Raiders from the north wanted their cattle. Arguments with a nearby village almost led to a war, but Adisa faced every problem with bravery and wisdom. He taught his people how to dig wells so they always had water. He showed them new ways to farm so they grew lots of food. He made agreements with nearby villages, bringing peace and good times to everyone. King Adisa ruled for many years. He was a kind and caring leader. Dodoma thrived under his guidance. Their storehouses were full of food. Their children grew strong and healthy. When he finally died, everyone was very sad. But Adisa's spirit lived on in Dodoma. His wisdom continued to guide them. His bravery inspired them. His love kept them together. And so, the village of Dodoma thrived. A reminder of their beloved king, the man who talked to spirits.